In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a signature request in Dropbox Sign. If someone hasn't signed a document you sent, a quick reminder can nudge it to the top of their inbox and keep your workflow moving. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips to make sure your reminder lands the way you intend. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Dropbox Sign. You'll see the official site appear at the top of the results. Click the first link to head straight to the sign-in page. Go ahead and log in with your account credentials. If you use single sign-on with your organization, follow your usual sign-in flow. Once you're in, navigate to the Documents tab. This is your central hub for all sent, pending, and completed signature requests. If you have a lot of activity, you can use the search bar or filter by status to zero in on items that are still awaiting signatures. This makes it faster to locate the document you need to follow up on. Find the pending request you want to remind about. Hover over it and look for the More Options menu, which appears as a vertical ellipsis or 3 dots. If your window is narrow, you may need to expand it or scroll horizontally to see the icon. Click that menu to reveal actions you can take for this specific request. Select Email Reminder. This tells Dropbox Sign you want to send a gentle nudge to the recipient without changing the document or creating a new request. It's a simple way to keep everything tied to the same workflow and audit trail. You'll now see the signer list for that document. Check the box next to the signer or signers you want to remind. This is helpful if multiple people need to sign and only one is lagging behind. When you're ready, click Email Reminder. Dropbox Sign will send an email to the selected recipient or recipients with a direct link to the document, prompting them to review and sign. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Avoid sending multiple reminders in rapid succession, as that can reduce effectiveness. If a signer still doesn't respond, consider confirming their email address outside the platform or giving them a heads up that a reminder is on the way. And if you're managing many documents, make filtering by pending a habit so you can follow up efficiently. That's it. You've successfully resent a signature request in Dropbox Sign and kept your process on track.